Brats, you might have seen we got a new unboxing desk, but there was a tiny bit of damage in one corner. Cut to clip. Looks pretty good. It does look like in shipping it took one little bit of damage here in the corner. Probably not gonna be noticeable in the final product, but something to maybe think about as far as shipping it, maybe pad the corners a little better. Now, the company that sent us the desk saw that and they said, that can't be your desk, that can't happen. They've sent us another one all ready to replace it with. Let's open this thing up and check it out. Actually, let's just skip the opening it. Let's just get this built. Boom. Fastest assembly time you've ever seen. The desk is similar to the other desk in design, a few little minor differences. It uses brackets on the back that hold it instead of like a long metal wire. I mean, it's basically like our other unboxing, but it actually feels more stable. I really like this one. The whole black look, I like more than I thought I would, actually. I think it actually looks a little better than the vintage wood did in here. I think it just makes a nice contrast. It's a solid desk. If you're needing a desk, if you're needing an unboxing table, it's either one. I'll leave a link in the description. And just like the other one, I mean, it was simple assembly. I think it was 12 bolts. They send you the only Allen wrench you need for it, and it just comes right together. I'm very happy. I'm very thankful. Again, thank you to ODK Furniture and Coleshome, who've been sending us some of these desks that we've been getting to check out. This is now our permanent unboxing table that we'll have. You'll be seeing this in future videos. Of course, if there's any videos that are behind, you can always tell if the plants or something are missing in the background. You might see some old desks in the meantime, but eventually, when we're all caught up, it'll only be this table from now on. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in another reality.
I want to say the biggest thank you to those of you who have become channel members and any of you who have ever been patrons of ours. Gallium VR, Chris Deputy, Legacy VR, Bagel, and a Fissy King Sloth are current channel members. Our patrons, K27, Rocket Sauce 28, K Panda K, Fred Nepatebo, Ege Karatosh, Maddie's, Gallium VR, Orange VR, and Mr. Dodojo. Thank you so much, everyone, for supporting the channel.
Okay, let's build this.